What's it on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, I got a good video because, well, first of all, it's Friday night and we're not in Mexico because it's December 11th and it's cold, man. People are still out there, I think, but my car is sitting. So today, guys, I got a good video today because it's gonna be going over the top runs from this past season on my 93 tune. So yeah, guys, we're gonna go through and we're gonna talk about it. I wanna talk about the mods the guys had, who it was, if they have a social media, I'll post it, what was going through my mind, why I didn't go faster than you wanted me to go, because you guys always complain. But before we get started, guys, make sure you hit that thumbs up, guys. Let's try to get to 50 today. That'd be amazing. Help me out a lot. Keep the channel going. And yeah, man, let's get into it. I don't know what I'm gonna be looking at here because I put all the clips in a folder, but I'm not too sure what's what because I have it small. So we're just gonna have to click around here and see what we get. So now that we're in the corner, guys, now we can get this party started. You probably see some weird thing on my screen here, but let's get started with these runs. Let's start with, I don't even know. Let's go with the, I'm just gonna mix this around here. Okay, let's start with this one, 6479. I can just tell right off the bat what this is. So this is my run against Edwin's Mustang GT350. Spit this thing out. My old Evo 10, who is now owned by Daniel. This car is full bolt-on E85 tune, making, I think it was like 330 on a Dyno Dynamics, probably around 380-ish. And then Edwin's stock GT350. This is a 5.7 liter, I think. 6.2, I don't even know, but anyway, it makes like 525 to the crank, so we're looking at like maybe 440 to the wheel, and this is on my 93 tune. So let's see how we did here. 40 roll. You hear that? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, it was pulling for sure. You can really hear the brake boost for sure, but yeah, I was pretty close. That was a good run. I knew we were all going to be close. I mean, if we look at the end here, I was definitely in front of the Evo just by like a hair, not even, dude, like half. Look at this. It's like half of anything. Edwin's got us by like maybe a car, so that's pretty good. That was a fun run, so that was quite a good one. I remember that one. So let's see what else we got here. Ooh. So this one right here is a run with my buddy Gio. Well, I didn't know him at the time. I thought it was just a Civic that was gonna pull up. I was trying to race Mike, but then this dude pulled up, and then I was like, you know what? Let me just run this dude, see what he's about. And I was pretty surprised. I'm sure he was probably like, what the heck, when he raced me too. So he's got K24 with 50 shot of nitrous and 9th gen transmission. I don't know. He has a lot. I'm gonna put his Instagram up here so you guys can see it. But yeah, this is a good run here. Pretty sure I got him, but it was definitely close. Honks though. Yeah, I got him by like a car maybe. Yeah, we kept going. That was good. That's such a nice road. And it was daylight, man. I miss those days, but that was a good run. Still on my 93, obviously. I'm going to keep saying that. But 93 tune, got him by a little bit, a lot closer than I thought it would be. Not going to lie. And dude's fast, man. And I wasn't brake boosting here, which I can't do very well anyway. But if I did, I think I'd be pretty good. So this is another good run here. So this run right here, this is when Sarah was in the car with me. I don't think he has any passengers, but I had run him once before. So this is an IS38. Don't know if he was on E30 here. Maybe he was on 93. But I want to say I was still on my 93 tune, and I think he was on 93. So I don't remember. But whatever. This is a close run. The extra weight held me back a little bit, but it was close. Damn. That was close. That was just very good. Very fast car. Takes off. I really like the way it sounds for sure. And we were right there. Kind of looked like it was pulling on top, but I think if I didn't have my passenger, I think I would have beat him. But anyway, it's not an excuse because content was good here. Alright, on to the next video here. What we got? What we got? Oh, wow, that sound. Alright, first of all, I want to apologize for the sound. See my boy Doug right here. But turn the volume down. But yeah, this is a run with Doug. He had this is when he was in the NA. So he was making 420, I think he made on a dyno. This is full bolt-ons, E85. I don't even know. Pretty much everything you could do to a NA. I think it's the first gen Coyote. I don't know, bro. It's S197 Mustang. I don't know about these cars. Just kidding. Yeah, I kind of do. But this thing was pretty fast, and I thought I was gonna get gapped. But you know, we came out here and we made the GTI look good. This is 93 tune. I was still on my winter tire, so I spun a bit, and I had fat ass Edwin in the car, so that definitely didn't help. Sorry, bruh. But you know, it was a good run. Oh god, that sound. Turn it down here. This is good though. Just banging those gears. Alright, I'm gonna just stop it right there because that sound. But literally, we started right here. Wait. We started here and we ended here. So I gapped him. Now I'm scared. It was literally a door. I don't even know. Barely beat him. But it looked like I might have been pulling up top a little bit. But it was, I mean, we ran out of room. And that was a good run though. I think he was surprised. And I was also surprised because, you know, kind of underestimate the car, especially when I first got it because I didn't really know how well it would do. Turns out DSG helps a lot, and the IS38, bro. Good shit. This next one, I remember this because this is when Edwin brought out his GT350 for the first time, and Daniel had just gotten his tune for E85. I had ran him on his 93, and I beat him, and then he got his E85, and then he had a passenger, and I beat him, but this time it was just one-on-one, no passengers, and this one was a good run here. We were having issues lining up, for real. I remember that. Yeah, I don't know what happened there. Okay, I think it's... Here we go. So we had some weird time lining up. I don't know, it's always hard, ooh, with the brake boosting, but... Kind of looked like he had me up at the top there, but that yeah, he had me at the top there. It almost looked like top of his fourth, but a lot of evos don't go into fifth because it's like an overdrive, so they're not gonna have any power up there. That was a really good run though. That was probably my favorite run, one of them at least. Kind of short, but you know, still really good, solid. Give him the good old okay signal here to let him know, you know what, that shit look good, sounds good, and it's quick. Alright, so this next video was when Edwin same day, Edwin brought out his Mustang, and this dude was talking shit, and he's like, your car's slow. I said, you know what? I remember I was trying to figure out how fast this car was, because I was not trying to lose to this man. I was not trying to lose to this man. I was like, you know what? I posted on the Equilibrium tuning page on, I don't even remember what other page, and I asked, I was like, you know what? I think it was just that one, but I asked, I was like, how will I do against the GT350? Everyone's like, you're going to get gapped, blah, blah, blah. I was like, you know what? All right, whatever. We're going to see how it goes. I feel like, you know, I did the math on the power to weight ratio, and I feel like we'd be kind of close, even though he had a little bit of a better power to weight, but I felt like I'd be close. And math never lies, boys. Shit gonna be close. And that boy was salty. Damn, no spin from me, so that's nice. Nice hot day. Short run, but neck and neck. He's about to hit me. So here we are gonna run again. A little more telling here. No! That boy's bullying me. Yeah, he had me by like, yeah, same story, by like a car. So that's pretty good for, you know, IS38, 93 tuned, E30. I think I would have gapped him. E85 obviously, but he's a stock GT350. Car is no longer here. The boy got rid of it, unfortunately. So that was short-lived, but it was still fun. Dude's quick, 525, 440-ish. 525 to the crank, 440-ish to the wheel. Against my 350-ish, 340-ish to the wheel. GTI power. I think that's it. I think I want to say that's it. That's it for now, guys. If you guys liked the video, smash that thumbs up button. Let's get to 50 at least. Share this if you liked it. Share it with the people who own GTIs. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys in a couple days. Maybe a week. No, it'll be a couple days. No, it'll be a week. All right, whatever. All right, see ya. Get the fuck out of here.